Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can get your money back from Wells Fargo. So let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing Wells Fargo claim into the search bar. Look for the link that leads to the official Wells Fargo website and click on it. Once you're on the claims page, scroll down until you see the option to File a Claim Now and select it. You'll be prompted to log in using your Wells Fargo username and password. After logging in, choose the account linked to the transaction in question. Navigate to your account activity or transaction history, then locate and select the specific charge you want to dispute. From there, you should see the option to either dispute the transaction or submit a claim. Select the reason that best describes your issue, whether it's a fraudulent charge, duplicate transaction, or something else, then provide any relevant details and upload supporting documents like receipts or email confirmations if available. Once everything is filled out, review your information carefully and submit the claim. To avoid delays, it's a good idea to gather any necessary documentation before starting the process.